So in this video we are doing the lottery, so we'll see what will win or anything. So we have a quarter here which has an eagle on it, we have a Jack Sparrow, Baby Yoda, and failure is not an option from NASA. So we have 3 lottery tickets. We'll first take the Lady Luck. You can win up to $100,000. First you have to scratch the winning numbers. It has a 6 numbers here. If one of the number is present in any of these 20, you will get the amount mentioned there. So first we'll scratch the winning numbers. So our winning numbers are 14, 32, 11, 26, 6, 17. If we get any of the number, we'll get minimum $5 to something more, and if we receive a diamond symbol, then we'll get 7 times the amount we win there. So that's why it's Lady Luck 7. Here you can see, match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers, win the prize for that number, reveal a diamond symbol, win the prize for that symbol instantly, reveal a 7x symbol, win 7 times the prize for that symbol. So if you get a diamond symbol, you'll get the prize for the symbol instantly. If you get 7 times, you'll get 7 times the prize for that symbol. So it's called Lady Luck 7. So first we'll scratch the first row. So here you can see it's showing, if you get a 25 here, it matches, you'll get $5. If it's a 1, you can get $100. If it's a 23, you'll get $500. If it's a 5, you'll get $5,000. In this first one, we don't have any of this matching. You can see here 25, 1, 23, 5. So we'll scratch this way now. So the second one, it's 4, we don't have that. 8, 16, 39, no. $30, 13, 29, no. 2, 31, 15, no. It's like all the numbers are nearby. That's how it works. $28, 36, 19, no. So we have last 3 chances. If we get, then we'll win, otherwise no. $21, 3, 22. So no, we didn't win anything from this ticket. It's a $5. And there's a other option also. Here we have a scan code. If you have a Texas Lottery app installed, you can scan it and they will tell you if you win or no. There's a Texas Lottery app. If you scan it, they'll tell you if you won anything or not. So here's the app. You can select the QR code, then you have to scan the barcode. See, it will show you game 2260, not a winner. Now we'll try a different lottery ticket, and this is a different one. Here you can see it's like break the bank. First you have to scratch the lock numbers. If you have the lock number anywhere, you'll get the mentioned amount there. If you have this stack of cash symbol, you'll get $50 instantly. So the lock numbers are 1 and 19. We have to get them. So we'll scratch here. 17. No. 3. No. 9. No. 17, 3, 9. We don't have those numbers. 5. No. 22. No. 24. No. 16. No. 6. So we don't have the numbers or a stack of cash, so we didn't win anything from this game 1. We have game 2. It's the same like this. Instead of the stack of cash symbol, here we have money bag symbol. So we'll scratch the lock numbers. Here the lock numbers are 25, 30. So we'll start scratching from here. 5. No. 9. No. It's the same number. 17. No. 14. No. 22. No. 16. No. 12. No. 15. No. So we didn't win anything from this either. So we have a end game which is of $100,000 top prize. We'll scratch this and see. It has only barcode. I guess we should scan this and see if we won anything or not. See, it's not a winner. Didn't win anything from this one either. So we have a last ticket. This is a different one. It's like it has a game 1 and 2. 2 you need to play separately. It's like if you get 3 words, you'll get $5, and as the word increases, you'll get the money from it. We'll scratch here. So we have to scratch the entire game 1 and then game 2. Then we have to match with this main game. So if any of this letter present here, then we can get the money. I guess we do not need to scratch these two, as we can easily see the words before only without scratching. So we'll scratch this. The easy way to check if you won or not is to scan the barcode. See here, we won $10 from this game. We spent $15 on these 3 tickets and I won last 2 times $5 each time. Like I bought 2 tickets last 2 times differently, each $5, and I won both of them. So I thought I am on a winning streak, so I tried. This time I bought 15, 5 each, and I won $10. This is how the lottery works, and here people buy it very crazily. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like and share the channel.